ELA week of April 2nd. It's due Friday, April 6th. Required 3 times for 20 minutes each. Read to self and practice your power goal. Check each box when you've done this. For work on writing this week, required for 20 minutes, reread pages 10 to 11 in Planet Earth, then create an informative Foursquare plan about oceans. Remember to include an introduction, at least 2 details, and a conclusion. This is independent. Reflect when you're done. Required for 15 minutes, using your Foursquare plan, write an informative draft about oceans. This is independent. Reflect when you're done. Required for 10 minutes, when you are finished with your narrative writing, score yourself and edit your writing using the rubric in the resource area. Independent. Reflect when you're finished. And last for writing, required for 15 minutes, complete the More Animals Fix-It activity in the resource area. This can be done independent or pair. Reflect when you're finished. For reading comprehension this week, required for 20 minutes, read the partner play Aunt Carol's Compost. Then answer the sheet in the resource area. This reading comprehension can be done independent or pair. Reflect when you're finished. RazKids is the same, required for 15 minutes. Listen to a story on RazKids on your level. What is the title? Take the quiz, write down your score. Independent. Reflect when you're done. For foundational skills this week, required for 20 minutes. Green and blue readers are doing the synonyms sheet. The red readers are doing their synonyms sheet. And the white readers are doing their synonyms sheet. This is all independent. Reflect when you're finished. Required for 5 minutes, scan the QR code and review the tricky words on your level. Independent. Reflect when you're done. And we have an optional for 15 minutes. When you're done with everything else, you can do optional. Read, stroll, and walk, babble, and talk on Epic. What new synonyms did you learn? This is independent or pair. Reflect when you're done. For social studies this week, you have a choice. Read The New Land, A First Year on the Prairie on Epic, or listen to The New Land, A First Year on the Prairie on Epic. This can be done independent or pair. Reflect when you're done. Required for 15 minutes. It says, then answer the questions in the resource area. The questions are done independent. Reflect when you're done. And optional this week, we have an optional activity for 20 minutes. It says, do you think the pioneer family was glad they left the old country to find a home in the new land? Why or why not? Be sure to use text evidence in your answer. Write your response on notebook paper. This activity is done independent. Reflect when you're finished. Don't forget, these activities are due this Friday, April 6th. Good luck.